Alright traders, we're looking to go long here on our three pairs here. We're going to take it long right off the moving average.
Order filled.
Our orders on GJ have been filled. Alright, as we can see, we've been filled on all orders. We are currently trading the three pairs, the Great British Pound with the Yen, the Euro Dollar, and the Euro Yen. We are going long on these positions right off the moving average. All traders should be in this trade. We're looking for about 100 pips on each pair. If we see any resistance along the way, we may pull it out a little earlier, but for now we're okay. We do have our stops in place and we have our targets in place. So we're going to let this trade mature. Alright, as we can see, we are starting our move up here. We're in the green on the Euro Yen, on the green in the Euro Dollar. We've just turned green on our Pound Yen. Kind of still stuck in this little area here, but we're looking for a strong push up. We are seeing some volume coming in and some buyers coming into the picture. We have a higher high here that we need to break on both these pairs in order to accomplish our goal. So this may be a little bit of a resistance area that we need to look out for. But besides that, as soon as we break this area here, we should have clear sailing to our next profit target. Alright, as we can see, the Euro Dollar has broken the resistance here, and we're on our way towards our target. We're about 31 pips in the profit so far. The Euro Yen is now trying to break this area here, having a little bit of difficulty, but we're looking for a nice push up as the Euro Dollar is leading the way. Indicators still showing a good upward movement on these pairs, so we'll just keep a close eye in these tough areas for them to get through. But the Euro Dollar, as we can see, is well on its way, has broken the higher high. Right, a little bit of resistance here on the British Pound. If it does go down another red, we may have to get out of this trade. But still looking okay. Maybe a little bit of consolidation in this area, but still looking okay. The Euro Yen has just broken through with some power, as well as the British Pound. That's what we needed. We needed that push up. Beautifully done. That was very well done. That's what we needed. Alright, we just made a higher high. We closed above the previous high. Well on our way. We got about 66 pips. Oh wow, this is moving. This is now moving hard. Alright. Alright. Beautiful. Yes, we can see a strong on the Euro Yen. Wow, what a strong push. There we go. We have just been filled 100 pips on the Euro Yen. There we go. Been filled on the Japanese Yen. That was a strong piece that we needed. As we see, a bit of retracement and a strong push up. We just got 100 pips on the Euro Euro Yen, and we just got a. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. We've just been filled on the Euro Dollar as well. That's 300 pips, guys, here on May 27th. Took the trade, three pairs, 300 pips, beautifully done. Alright, let's do a quick recap on these trades. As we can see, we went in to our targets. We found our entry place right above the EMA after a strong downward move. We did have this move right down here. We were expecting a nice bounce. We got in right up here at 129.66 on the Great British Pound versus the Yen. We've taken it up. There was a couple of hiccups here. We were almost out of the trade right here. If it wouldn't have bounced up right away, we would have been out of this trade. Would have gotten out because it did move below the EMA. We're kind of watching this area carefully, but it did get a bounce. Very strong bounce. A couple of more small retracements over here. This was another area of concern for us. We're ready to bring our stops in and get out, but As we can see, we saw a strong movement up, a nice final push, and we reached our target of 100 pips. So that was a great trade. About 2 hours for this trade to complete. It still kept going up, but we're happy with 100 pips. More than happy with 100 pips on that trade. Moving over to the euro dollar, same type of scenario. We did have a nice strong bounce down, and then as soon as it moved past the EMA, we saw some volume coming in, and the buyers were coming in at that point. We got in at about 1.2203. Went up nicely. Small consolidation area didn't bother us. This was an area of concern. Again, if it would have went another red bar below here, we would have been out of this trade. A lot of people wait to make a lower low. There's no reason for it. If we're in the profit and it makes another red down, we would have gotten out of the trade with about 40-50 pips. But again, it reversed, went above the EMA again. Once it went above the EMA, there was just a strong push and got us out of the trade right here with 100 pips as well. Very good bounce on that one. A couple of bounces, but this one was more a consolidation. This was a real bounce. Needed that retracement. Went a bit more than we wanted it to go, but worked out at the end with a nice bounce off the moving average. Moving over to our euro yen, same type of scenario as all the other pairs. We saw that strong downward move. We were expecting a bounce off here. Once it moved over the moving average, we looked at our indicators. Everything was intact. We took it long here at 109.84 approximately, and actually 109.86. Same type of scenario. Small consolidation here. Did not bother us at all. It didn't really puncture the moving average at all. It didn't move below our standards at that point. Strong move up again. Again, this area kind of was an area that all pairs had, and it was a retracement that we had to look at. That green in the middle here is what kind of saved our trade. Kind of figure that there's still buyers present, and once we got the bounce up past the moving average, made a high and got us out. Again, this trade did go past our exit points here, but again, we had 100 pips set up for this trade. We got it. We didn't want to move it anymore. There's no reason to play with the trade anymore. At that point, we were happy with what we got. 300 pips on 3 trades here on, as I said, May 27th. This is during the London European session that we have here in the live trading room. Again, we don't go into too much detail here on how we pick their signals and what methods we use, but if you want to become a member, or if you want to come to our free webinar, that's open to you guys at any time. All you got to do is just send an email to webinar@etradingforums.com or info@etradingforums.com, or you can even call us at 1-888-316-4977. One of our expert traders will have a one-on-one consultation with you guys. We'll take you into the webinar, kind of show you what we do and how we do things at eTrading Forums. A great place to trade. Very nice people. Nice bunch of traders. The expert moderator / trader puts on live trades in the room. Looks exactly like this, right in front of you. So very easy method while he's explaining and teaching his signals and the reasoning behind the moves, and and why he got out early, or if he finished the trade properly. So it kind of guides members right through the whole trade from the beginning to the end, as well as teaching how to trade during the live trading rooms. Live trading rooms are open for futures and Forex about 18 to 19 hours a day. Forex, we trade the Asia and London sessions from the afternoon throughout the night, and the futures are during the US cash market. So the rooms are open at all times to our members, and again, you have a free webinar session that you can come and attend, and we'll hope to see you in the room soon. All right, everybody. Thank you for trading with us today, and we hope to see you in the live trade room again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.